Okay, this is a nice question about equalities and absolute values. It's a question from the entrance exam for engineers, physicists and mathematicians in 2 Flemish universities. And you can see only 41% correctly answered this question. So if you want to have a go at it, pause the video and try for yourself. Okay, so the question is, which of the following statements about the equation, the absolute value of x squared minus 4 is equal to 3x? So if we sketch that, and the questions are, it has the answers are actually exactly 2 solutions. Both positive, 2 solutions, only 1 positive, 4 solutions, all positive, 4 solutions, of which exactly 2 are positive. So if you draw y equals x squared minus 4, that looks like the orange curve. It's just a parabola. To get the absolute value, you just have to flip whatever is on the negative side to the positive side, which gives you the purple curve. And then y is 3x, is kind of a steep line, and you immediately can see that you will only have 2 intersections between the line and that parabola absolute value thing. So the correct answer is A. The equation has exactly 2 solutions, and as you can see, both will be positive. Okay, so that's graphical. If you want to have the more analytical approach, well, you can't actually work with absolute values, so we'll have to split that in 2, meaning the first part where x squared minus 4 is positive or 0, or the absolute value being bigger or equal to 2. So then you can just write x squared minus 4 without the absolute value, because it's the same, is equals to 3x, or x squared minus 3x minus 4 is 0. And then we get the quadratic formula, and that boils down to x being either 4 or minus 1. Now, minus 1 can't be a right solution because, well, we flipped this, so there's nothing there where 2 curves can meet, because there aren't any 2 curves, there's only the line going into the negative part, so we reject the minus 1. For the second part, x squared minus 4 smaller than 0, so negative, or the absolute value of x smaller than 0, we need to negate x squared minus 4, so we get minus x squared minus 4 is 3x, or if we put all that on the same side, you get x squared plus 3x minus 4 is 0. Again, we use the quadratic formula, and then we get the answers 1 and minus 4. We again reject minus 4 because, again, there's nothing here on the negative side. So we have exactly 2 solutions, 4 and 1, which are both positive. So answer A is the correct answer. So if you look at this in decimals, this is x squared minus 4. This is the absolute value of that, so you can see it's just mirrored along the x-axis. This is 3x, so just a line, and you can easily see there are only 2 points here, like in my not so very good drawing. And if you just put in the equation into decimals, Then you can see the lines on 4 and 1 where we have this intersection point of the two curves, as you can see. So that's how it's looking in Desmos, with a nicer drawing than the one I provided.